how to fade image in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just go into our project. So let's say, for example, that this is the project or the image that we want to edit. And then once you're now here, all you have to do is to add your picture. And then once you add your picture, so let's use this as our example. And then after that, all you have to do is to click the image. And then once you click the image, all you have to do is to just toggle your cursor into this transparency icon. So just click that. And then if you adjust or toggle the transparency, you will be able to see that we can adjust the transparency of the image. So we can adjust the opacity, and then there will be like a fade effect on the image. So let's say, for example, that we want to set it to 50%. So we can do that. And then this is what it should look like. And then let's say, for example, that we want to add maybe 90%. You can also do that. But let's say, for example, that you just want to add a fade on the bottom part of the screen or the bottom part of the image. And then all you have to do is to just go here on the elements, which is on the left screen. So click that, and then on the element, just search for fade, and then click enter. Once you do that, you will see a bunch of graphics right here that you can use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. So let's do that. Then let's add it right here. And then let's say, for example, that this is what it will look like. And then, of course, you can also add another one if you want to. So let's say, for example, we want to use this instead. So let's do that. Let's adjust it, which is right here. And then all you have to do is to just change it into whatever color you want. So let's say, for example, you want to change it to color red, color yellow, color white, or color black, and so on. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fade image in Canva.